I'm not going to marry a poor man. I'm not going to marry a short man. I'm not going to marry a tall man. I'm not going to marry a dark man. I'm not going to marry a fair man. Blah, blah, blah. I wish more women knew what marrying right meant. Marrying right doesn't mean you have to marry someone who's poor. Because I think we already have that mentality that, oh, when God says this is the person you should marry, they always come poor. No. Why would you think that God, who says in his word that he has good plans for you, is always thinking good thoughts for you, to prosper you and give you a better future? Why would you think that when God says this is who to marry, that God doesn't love you, that he's giving you somebody poor? Why do you think God would give you somebody poor to marry? If God is saying this is who to marry, God knows what he's saying. You should learn to trust God. I feel as ladies, we should get that wrong mentality out of our heads, that whenever you pray and God says this is who to marry, you're not always wealthy, you're not always rich, you're not always, you don't always have it all. And God is saying I should marry this way. I can't marry a poor person. And then you go and marry somebody that is rich. Okay, let's see, the person is rich. And every day, they beat the hell out of you. They punch you like a punching bag. And you hide everything. Because after beating you, they buy you makeup. And you hide everything under makeup. It's high time we ladies stop thinking with our human senses and be more spiritual about things. What is God saying? I've even asked God, okay, God, what do you want for my life? Who should I marry? Who should I spend the rest of my life with? I'm not here to give marital advice or choose a partner for you. I can't do that. Every time, pray. Can't I choose for myself? Am I not the one who knows what I can deal with? Of course, you know what you can deal with. But who created you? Isn't it God that created you? You think he doesn't know you better than you think you know yourself? And God says, oh, this is who you should marry. Okay, are you trying to say God is making the wrong decision for you? Really? Why not just trust God and believe God and do what he wants you to do? Let's learn to seek God first. A lot of marriages are failing out there. And I see people, ladies even saying, if it's not the right one, I can always divorce him. Divorce is not a crime. People are divorcing now and it's nothing. If I marry wrong and I can't stay there, I'll just divorce him. Oh, really? Marry right. Marry right. By asking God, by seeking the face of God on who to spend the rest of your life with. Because whoever you choose will either make you or destroy you. So be careful when you're choosing a life partner. Seek God first. Don't just make assumptions or make decisions out of the way you feel. Oh,